Good morning, welcome to the morning market headlines from IG. It's the 24th of April, I'm Brenda Kelly. We're seeing some strong gains for the financial sector this morning, which is helping to push the FTSE up further into positive territory. Trading currently up 16 points at 6,422. Standard Life has been a strong riser after beating analysts' expectations, and we've seen the price action rise 3.5% in early trade to 372 pence this morning. This is quite significant as it puts the share price back into that 10-month uptrend. I would expect to see a little bit of resistance around the 388 pence mark. That's the highs of this year. A little bit of profit taking could take effect at that particular level. The UK benchmark has powered through that 6,400 level, and while above that, it does set the tone for a bigger increase, possibly towards the 6,500. Again, I would expect to see a certain amount of resistance at that particular level. If you look at the individual sectors in the FTSE, we're seeing the tech and the financial sector pretty much compensating for the lack of appetite in the basic resource sector. We've seen the mining sector as a whole since February come off by 24%, and will take quite a bit of pushing upwards for that to retrace its steps. The PMI numbers from the Eurozone are also helping over the last day or so to drive risk assets up further. And this has been further helped by the IFO coming out of Germany, which did not meet expectations. Ultimately, what this does is create a certain and bigger case for the ECB to cut rates next month. The euro dollar, however, does not seem to be pricing this in, and we saw a mild retrace below the 130 level. It's very short-lived, so it does give you the idea that traders are a little bit hesitant to price in any rate cut, particularly in light of the fact that the last press conference, such a move was very much denied by Mario Draghi. Closer to home, the UK Chancellor is extending the funding for lending until January of 2015. We haven't seen much effect on the sterling trade. It's currently in a very tight range against the dollar between the 152 and the 153 level, with the air being quite thin around the 153. We look forward to the GDP numbers tomorrow, so if they come in as expected or a little bit better, that we could see a drive through that 153 level. However, expectations are quite low, as little as 0.1% in growth, so any failure to meet that expectation there, we could see a fall below the 152 level. For more information, please log on to Insight.